If you're tired of the same old dinner but still want something easy, these quinoa and black bean stuffed peppers are your new best friend. First things first, cook 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. Now, while that's simmering, let's get our filling ready. Grab a pan and saute 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a splash of olive oil. Your kitchen's already smelling amazing, right? Toss in a can of black beans, some optional corn if you're feeling fancy, and the cooked quinoa. Add a splash of Henderson's relish for that extra oomph. Season with cumin, paprika, salt and pepper. Give it a good mix. Next, cut the tops off 4 bell peppers and remove the seeds. Stuff them with your delicious quinoa mixture, topped with cheese or vegan cheese, and pop them into a 180 degrees, 350 degree T-Fizz oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it. Gourmet stuffed peppers that are as easy as they are delicious. Bon appetit! In this chapter, we'll explore the perfect vegan wine and a refreshing non-alcoholic drink to pair with your gourmet stuffed bell peppers. For the wine, we recommend a crisp Sauvignon Blanc with notes of citrus and green apple. This light and refreshing wine will enhance the flavours of the quinoa and black bean filling, adding a zesty contrast to the richness of the dish. For a non-alcoholic option, try a sparkling water infused with fresh lemon and mint. Simply add a few slices of lemon and a handful of mint leaves to your sparkling water for a refreshing and sophisticated drink. The bright citrus and cool mint will cleanse your palate and complement the savoury peppers perfectly. Both options will elevate your meal, making it not just delicious, but a truly gourmet experience. Cheers to your culinary success! Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts, like this video, turn on notifications, and click the subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Subscribe now to stay updated with our latest gourmet recipes.